2, game over.
Oh, welcome, folks. I'm here with my moderator, Mr. Wheels, doing a little mini test recording. And let's just jump into it, guys, shall we? So, now if you stay where you are, I will make my Wendy way towards you. It's nighttime, so you stay where you are. There's piggies around in this game, guys, so it's going to be all gold. Let me turn that off because we don't want tripod on. Thank you. Yeah, so this is my moderator's Shutuku Dynasty, and he is... I might have to put myself on a job because it's put me unemployed again, and it's put me homeless. Deep joy. He is level Dynasty 10. Population... Yeah, it's put me homeless. Assign a home. Oh, give me a home. Oh, where the buffalo roam. And I've got to find myself a little job. And I'll put myself on the watchtower that you're on. I'm going to take a mint in a minute. I've just had a fantastic chicken pot roast warmed up from yesterday. And it was absolutely that good yesterday that I've had it today. Anyway, you are at the red marker, aren't you? Yeah, you're at the red marker. I am going completely. I am completely going the wrong way.
Basically, I'm up at the. I am up at the.
Yeah, you're up at the. You're up at the. Yeah, you're at the special project where we found that iron ore vein. There are several on the map, guys. There are several. And I'm going across piggy country, so you stay where you are. I don't know whether there's any piggies around there. I'm not going to frighten you, but I'm going across piggy terrain. So he's around about 625 meters away. So I just want to say, how is everybody? I hope everybody is okay. This may go up on YouTube, guys. I think I might put it up on YouTube. We're only going to be doing about 15 minutes anyway. And this is more of a test recording. Oh, clay here. So we've got to remind ourselves that there is clay. So yeah, I am in piggy territory at the moment. Mr. Wheels is at a project that we started last night, I think. Was it last night? Yeah, I think it was last night. So I got to be really, really, really careful. And my torch is in 9. Oh, remind me, Mr. Wills, I need to find... that's only got 1 egg in it. I need to find a trader with a shovel, because my shovel broke last night. We were cutting down trees doing this special project. And there is a steel shovel that you can get, which is a lot better than the wooden shovel. We can make the wooden shovel, but the steel one is a lot better. And my one broke. So, but you will come across them. You will come across them. So what is it? Is it coming in? Or it's still night time? It will be morning very, very soon. The daytime and nighttime cycles are not... They're not very quick, but they're not very slow, if you know what I mean. I think they're kind of like every minute is something like 4 minutes or something stupid like that. But let me just collect some stuff. I've had some meat go rotten in my backpack. I should have taken some of that stuff out, but never mind, never mind. That is a deer, if you wonder what that sound was. Completely different sound to a piggy. Completely. Oh, a deer is skating across. I'm glad we did this, Mr. Wills. I had a deer skate. It didn't even walk. It sort of like glided.
Mhm.
It glided along the ground. We could go after him, but no, he's not. I wish there was a slide in this game. I do, but we can't have everything, I suppose. Well, you can, but oh, here's the piggy. Here's the pig. Hello, pig. There we go. Pig. 6 is the skinning knife, and then we're going to get 4 fat, 4 fur, 11 meat. Now this knife is the steel knife, and you're going to get more from a steel knife than you would do a stone knife, obviously, because it's a lot more purer and it's got a purer cut. So as we're finding ore places, I still don't know what these are for. Do not eat these, whatever you do. These are poisonous. I've tried it. I thought, I wonder whether it'll kill me. And it did. Yes, I don't want you, Mr. Deer. You frightened the hell out of me, but I don't want you. Oh, dear. Now, we did complete this, didn't we? But there was
Yeah,
something else I wanted to do at Shedengo. Shedengo?
yeah. You said there was another mission you needed me for.
Segi. S-E-G-I. Segi. There is something we want to do down at Segi. Or Segi. Depends on what part of the world you're from. Segi? Segi? It's not Sega. No, it's not Sega. Where's Mr. Wheels? Has he walked away from me? Is he He's collecting stuff. I've got him on Discord and I'm looking at his shared screen. He's collecting stuff, but he's
Where did that load go?
collecting stuff, but I can't see him. You can see him on the mini map. Oh, he's down there. He's 99 meters away. Right, so we're going to Segi. It's coming early morning. There goes a rabbit. Be very quiet. We're hunting rabbit. Now, let me tell you about the rabbits, guys. I did do this in a YouTube before. If you do come across rabbits, okay, you want them facing from right to left and not left to right. Because when you shoot them, when they fall over, if they are left to right, they will fall over on the arrow and you can't pick the arrow up. If they are facing from right with their bum end to left, yeah, then when they fall over, you'll be able to retrieve your arrow and you'll be able to skid it. So there you go. You don't say you don't get a lot of information on this channel, because you do. You get tons. I see a little silhouette of a wheels. Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? He's collecting wineberries. You were collecting wineberries, weren't you? Say yes, Marvin.
Actually, I come to the bunch of trees too.
Right, so a little bit more of information for you guys. It's only going to be going for another 10 minutes. A little bit more of information. If you are at a certain stage where you've got an ice house, it is in your best interest to make cooling drinks during the winter and then hot drinks during the summer. So they're buying in the summer. Your villagers will be able to drink cold drinks in the summer, and then in the winter they will have hot drinks. So there you go. Right, let's find out where Segi is, because we've got to go towards Segi. Segi is that way.
You can see what I was cooking, Mr. Marvin.
Yeah. We need all those berries, because any berries, sake, go-go root, think you need a bamboo bottle. We'll do you a hot drink. I got my paperwork here. So, warm drinks is 1 sake, 1 water, wine berries, go-go root, and a bamboo bottle. That will give you a warm drink. A cold drink, let me find cold drinks. A cold drink is 1 water, any berries, so that could be wine berries or those Logan berries. Yeah, okay. Ice, of course, you would think ice because it's a cold drink. A bamboo bottle. So there you go. And I got them all written down, and you're not having my spreadsheet. So anyway, we're going this way, Mr. Wills. As we go past here, we'll collect all these wine berries. And we've got wabbits in front of us. So collect all the wine berries, Mr. Poe. Not that we're going to make a cold drink and a warm drink in this little snippet, but we will do it in a later episode. So we need to go... Segi is that way. We need to go this way. So do you know what? That was good timing that I picked up Mr. Wills. Now, Mr. Wills is the same as me. He's got a visual handicap like myself. And now we're in morning. We can both see what we're doing. So there you go. So this is the reason why I've come down here. If you get your hammer out, Mr. Wills. Can you see the special project that we're doing? Oh, hang on. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Right. That was twin-fold. Right, skin him. You got your skinning knife? This is the reason why we go around in pairs.
I don't think I have a skinning knife.
Don't have a skinning knife? I'll tell you what, I'll skin it and I'll give you the meat and the fat and the fur. How about that? How does that sound? So, again, I got more fat from that one. Maybe that was a chubby one. I don't know, but I got more fat and I got more fur and I got more meat for some reason. Right, Mr.
We put more holes in that one.
Yeah, I probably did. There was a little bit more poking of the holes. Right, let's go over here. The reason why we're coming over here is yesterday when we did that tower on the top of that hill, I found this special project for Mr. Wills, and we didn't have any bamboo. But over to the east, there is bamboo, and there was grass, which we had to make into straw. So we need to do this, which is 10 bamboo. The old bamboo, the old bamboo. Six logs and 10 planks. But then we got to do a whole kit caboodle because this will have to be iron. Can you see these on top of here? This will be iron. So there you go.
So we need 3 stones and 10 planks, which I have a bunch of wood with me to turn into planks.
No, I got it. I got you back. Right. So we need... Oh, we don't need it. We don't. I've got so much stuff. How much stuff have you got in your backpack, Mr. Bow? Because I can go and cut it down and you just got to collect it. Oh, you got logs. Put the logs in, buddy. Put the logs in. And then I'll cut down some trees and we can convert them into planks. And then I'll end the episode there. So I did Ice Road Truckers today. And, oh no, I can't take any more than that. He's got the thing to do that. I have got planks. Have I got a splitter? Yes, I have got a splitter, but I need... Oh, look at that. I only got a couple more to do on that one. I better make one. Let me make one, because now I've got one in my backpack. Yeah, I can now strip the bark off and make them into planks. So 0, and Mr. Bow will dig that stump up for me.
Yes, I will. Here, we still need some more. We got 12 of the 20 logs, so we still need.
How many planks do we need, Mr. Wheels?
It looks like for the planks
We need
okay,
22
40
planks.
total, and you just put in 18. So.
Yeah, we need 22 planks and we need 8 logs, and then this special project will work on after we finish the other special project. So there you go. I'm going to leave it there. Like and subscribe, and I will catch you very, very soon. And if you want to see more content, please hit that bell. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.
YouTube Gamer.
Remember to like and subscribe. And please hit that bell.